I have 6 years of experience in the field of digital marketing, and my original passion is towards marketing and business management. Regarding the companies I worked for the first 2 years of my career, which is after graduation in 2019, for 2 years nearly I was self-employed. Before that, I was working in a small company called as India First Robotics. That is where I realized that digital marketing was actually a profession in the field. So I was there like an intern for a few months, and after that I started getting certification in the field. And I worked for several small and medium sized companies based out of Chennai and across Tamil Nadu. After 2 years, I realized the need for professional recognition, and I wanted to work for a known company in the field. So I got the opportunity to work under Mr. Avimanuja, who's a well-known person in the field of digital marketing around the period of 2020s. So he was actually a marketing awardee in the World Marketing Congress 2015, and I was a direct assistant to him. And under his guidance, under his wing, I was given the opportunity to work for several projects. And the company is called Subpaisa, which is a fintech-based company. They are known for their white label fintech products. That is being primary. Their primary current client base is B2B businesses and government projects. So there I got the opportunity to learn all the fields of digital marketing like content marketing, YouTube marketing, campaigning, the nooks and corners of digital marketing, AI tools, automation, these kind of things I was able to learn under his guidance. After that, I joined the Tamil Nadu-based company, which is well known as India's number one salon chain, largest salon chain brand, which is Naturals Corporate, and one of their sub brands is Nails and Beyond. So there, I was a sub brand's digital marketing head. Everything was going good, and I got the opportunity for to work for Mr. C.K. Kumravel, another well-known person in the industry of beauty and fashion. So after that, I due to the vicinity issue, I was taken back to my native place. So there, I got the opportunity to work for the company Track On Consulting, which is a digital media agency-based company. They work for UK, US, American clients, and I'm well known for the job roles and responsibility of team handling, managing digital marketing activities for the company. So regarding my skills, I can say I'm a 360-degree digital marketing person and a business strategist, where I'm good at first picking from preparing the RFPs to handling clients to digital marketing activities and closing the deals and maintaining the relationships of digital marketing clients as well. So in total, like I said, I have a total of 6+ experience. So that is the overall picture of my professional journey. So role of AI tools in the digital marketing, especially when freshers want to join the industry. Well, that's a interesting question. I would say role of AI in digital marketing is absolutely necessary. I would say a reason not just to use the tool to do something. Rather, I would say its part is highly important in understanding the basics of digital marketing. And as a fresher who wants to join the industry, one of the complexity is understanding the basics. So digital marketing is all about understanding the basics rather than using the complex jargons and the complex tools out there. So regarding the role of AI, I would say yes, people need to know some basics of AI and automation for digital marketing, because digital marketing is moving into the era of automation, and many companies have already adopted to automation like couple years back onwards. So it is important to understand AI tools like the basic tools, you can say ChatGPT, and automation tools like Zapier, Public Connect. These kind of tools they need to understand. And for writing, copywriting or content writing, for both they need to know the difference. First of all, they need to know the difference between content writing and copywriting. And for these items, which are like regularly churning items, there are several AI tools like Right Sonic and these kind of tools. People need to know that. So yes, AI plays a very big important part for digital marketing for freshers who wants to join the industry. Comes to paid marketing and analytics, my go-to and uh, most probably my favorite is always Google paid marketing and analytics, and apart from that, it's Zoho marketing panel. The reason I would say the convenience, and it is affordable to most clients, because Zoho, the paid marketing and analytics dashboard panel of Zoho marketing comparative to other platforms like either Marketo or any other that we take in the field, I would say it is affordable to many clients. So that is why majorly that is my go-to marketing and analytics platform. Apart from that, I have used several tools including basics of Marketo, HubSpot, Salesforce, CRM platform, several other CRM platforms include with the marketing, uh, given is including SEMrush and these kind of platforms as well. Apart from that, my major source of marketing and analytics for paid marketing would be Google Workspace tools. They are always a handy toolbox for a marketer. So I would say these are the major tools that I've used for paid marketing and analytics. I would say that AI is actually helping SEO professionals if they know how to use the AI correctly. Yes, there are places where AI is completely replacing a SEO professional, where it takes care of all the SEO parts. There are tools like that. However, in my perspective, I would still say you need an SEO professional. Why? AI understands the metrics and it does it like a machine. But a machine, even a machine, needs to know what it has to do in terms of complex times and in terms of a scam or something like that happens. So SEO, like previously, if a company has two or three digital marketers, I would say at the moment we need at least one SEO professional who is aware of AI. So he or she can be like having a basic to intermediate level of SEO experience with AI is absolutely required. And like I already said, in my perspective, advancement of AI is always a support to the professionals, not a hindrance to the professionals. Where required, the professionals need to learn the AI in their respective fields of digital marketing. Okay. Yeah. So, hi. Thanks a lot for showing interest in our digital marketing program. So I would recommend you to join in our digital marketing courses, trending digital marketing courses like paid marketing and analytics, SEO and website management, and social media marketing. We have several other programs like content marketing, YouTube marketing, and more. So, given the trend in 2025, more interest was shown in paid marketing and analytics. The reason absolutely is that right now we have a lot of alternatives for SEO and social media marketing. We have platforms to do that. However, if you are interested, we can also enroll in other platforms. But why I'm saying paid marketing and analytics is that paid marketing and analytics is always a growing one. Though the AI tools even come into the picture, paid marketing and analytics will always require professional to do it, and analytics with data science is always a growing thing. So absolutely, you need to know the basics of paid marketing and analytics. And personally, I would recommend you to take it. But if you're interested in any other things like SEO, website management, social media, my second preference to you would be website management. Again, though a lot of things might come, website management will always be a requirement in the industry as long as online exists. So I would recommend you to opt for either paid marketing analytics and website management, though they are a little technical comparative to the other areas. But you need little bit of technical knowledge to do it, which we will be training you on. But other than that, SEO, social media marketing, and all can be hands-on as you go over. Again, social media marketing has a separate vertical of tools and things to learn, technical parts to learn. Rather than social media marketing and SEO, I am recommending these two is that they have high income and income range in the field of digital marketing. Again, website management also a high range of income, salary, and growth opportunity in terms of the scope of the field that you are in. So, yeah, thank you.